let's stay with the earnings stories right now. Merck, the German Merck, has said that profitability will probably fall as much as 15% this year. That's as the German company's ailing liquid crystals business struggles to defend its market share. This in obviously the flat screen space. Let's go to Darmstadt and talk to Marcus Kuhnert. He is the CFO of this business and joins us now on the phone. Good morning to you, Marcus.
Good morning.
In terms of liquid crystals, is this as bad as it gets? Do things get worse from here? Is this the low point?
Not yet. So we have announced mid of last year that we have lost some market shares in Asia, and that this process is actually continuing until end of 2018. So we think that we are going to lose some 300 million sales from the 2016 base over the next 2 years until end of this year, and plus currency effects, however they will be. And we expect actually the trough year in terms of EBITDA pre, which is our most important steering KPI, in 2019. So 2019 will be the trough year when it comes to EBITDA pre.
Clearly, market share is a factor. One of the ways of dealing with that market share issue is to go and lower prices to maybe take back some of that market share. Is that the pricing strategy at the moment?
Actually, we are aiming not to compete with prices. So we are the quality leader still worldwide. We are still the biggest liquid crystals producer in the world. And we still believe actually that innovation is paying off. And that is what we are doing. Of course, I mean, we have taken some measures in the past to defend market shares. And we have also acted on prices, but this is not our strategy going forward.
I know I'm focusing on one particular part of the business because there are other parts of the business maybe we should be talking about, but this is what the market is talking about this morning. Can we expect a reorganization of this unit? How are you going to deal with the current scenario that you find yourselves with? You just outlined the time frame and the pricing strategy going forward and what you're doing in terms of the innovation. Does that require reorganization when it comes to liquid crystals?
Now, we have already taken some measures to reorganize the business. For example, we have adapted the structure of the business. It's now focusing more according to customer segments than having its focus on products. We are operating since April 1st in 3 different units. So we have, for example, combined liquid crystals materials and OLED. Then we have the semiconductor solutions business is our second pillar, and the third pillar is surface solutions, which was formerly known as pigments. However, this is not the end of the story, so we are also carefully reviewing our go-to-market. We are carefully reviewing our global manufacturing and supply footprint. So yes, we are also looking into structures and processes to optimize the business and to prepare for the future.